A 20-year-old Horizon City man is now behind bars after he allegedly stole a gun from a pawn shop. And according to Horizon City Police Department, officers responded to a panic alarm from the Benny's Pawn Shop on Horizon Blvd. Investigators discovered Jesse Klingman had stolen a handgun from the glass case and then fled the scene. Witnesses reportedly saw the suspect running toward a Walmart. Officers searched the area and eventually arrested Klingman.
Ese crimen de la semana, Crime Stoppers y la policía del Paso piden ayuda a la comunidad para identificar a una pareja que ha estado robando negocios en varias partes de la ciudad. El jueves 7 de marzo a las 4:39 de la mañana, una pareja robó por lo menos 3 diferentes negocios en el 6800 y 6900 de la calle Gateway East. Los negocios robados incluyen 511 Tactical, Mobile y Sports Explosion. En estos 3 casos, la pareja estrelló el vidrio de la puerta principal al negocio para entrar. La pareja esculcó en busca de efectivo y robó mercancía. Se cree que son responsables por otro robo similar el 9 de febrero en C&M Tires en el 8900 de la calle Viscount y otros robos similares. Los sospechosos se visten con sudaderas, con gorro y usan guantes. Cualquier persona con información sobre la identidad de esta pareja de ladrones debe de llamar anónimamente a Crime Stoppers del Paso al 566-8477, 566-TIPS. Crime of the Week, Crime Stoppers in the El Paso Police Department are looking to identify a couple that has been burglarizing businesses throughout the city. On Thursday, March 7th at 4:39 a.m., a couple burglarized at least 3 different businesses at the 68 and 6900 block of Gateway East. The businesses burglarized included 511 Tactical, Mobile, and Sports Explosion. In these burglaries, the couple broke the front glass door to the business and went inside. The couple searched for cash and merchandise. They also are believed to be involved in a burglary that took place on February 9th at the C&M Tires at 8900 Viscount and other similar burglaries. The suspects were wearing hooded sweatshirts and gloves. Anyone with any information on the identity of this burglarizing couple should call Crime Stoppers of El Paso anonymously at 566-8477. That's 566-TIPS.
Please, let me talk to somebody. Let me talk to him. Please.
Stop. Stand down.
Please.
Stand down.
Please.
All right.
Please.
Stay right there.
I hear you.
Talk to him.
All right.
Talk to Castillo.
Hey, man.
Talk to him.
Hey, man. Talk to me. Talk to me, dude. Hey. Talk to me. What's his name? You want to talk to me? Agustin.
Dude.
Do me a favor, man. It's just you and me. You don't want to go to jail, right?
Please.
You don't want to go to jail, correct? Why are we going to take you to jail?
Please.
Nobody's going to hurt you, but you need to put that weapon down. Put the weapon down so we can talk to you. I'm telling you, on man to man, put the weapon down. It doesn't have to end this way. Look at me, man. Look at me. I'm talking to you. You're not going to go to jail.
It's time already.
Put the.
Time to this.
I got you, man. The female, your girlfriend, is worried shitless about you, man. You don't have to do it this way. I need you to listen to me. You want to be? I'm going to walk up to you. Do you understand? I'm going to walk up to you.
Please,
I'm going to walk up to you. You want to see her again? You need to fucking do what I tell you. Put the weapon down now. I'm unarmed. Put the weapon down. Put the weapon down.
Please.
Put the weapon down, man. I'm walking towards you. Put it down. Show me that you're a man of your honor. Put the weapon down. Put the weapon down. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Can I just say bye to my dog?
No. No one's saying goodbye. You want to know why? Because you're going to go back to see your dog. Put the weapon down. Put the weapon down. I'm begging you, man. Don't have to end this way.
Can I kiss my dog and my girl goodbye?
Your girl's going to be with you at every step of the way, but not like this.
Give me your word. Give me your word.
You got my word.
No, my dog.
Sir.
And my girl, please.
You got target.
Please.
Put the weapon down. Put the weapon down. Put the weapon down. Put the weapon down. That a boy. Get down, man. It's all good. It's all good. Good job. You did it, brother. You did it. Good job. I'm fucking proud of you, man. Get double? Yeah.
I got a broken shoulder.
Okay, okay. This one?
Yeah.
All right, do you want EMS? You want EMS? All right, start EMS. Start EMS. Start EMS.
Hey, what's your dog's name? I'm on. It's the pug.
Okay, I'll bring him out here.
It's the pug.
You got a leash,
She's
bro?
a baby yesterday, baby, when you walk in.
By the way, don't you ever do what I just did.
You're not gonna bite me?
Don't do what I did.
All right, dude.
That'll
My
kill
wife's
you.
over there, please. I'm
Your
sorry.
back, sir.
I know.
Oh, baby, I'm sorry.
We had your back, so.
I'm sorry.
We're gonna stand you up, sit you up, okay? Do you want to talk to your girl? All right, let's go get her.
Sorry for the weapons, I can't have you record them.
Oh, why not?
It's just a sort policy because the serial number is coming out on it.
Oh, are you the lady I spoke with on the phone?
No.
No.
I haven't
Oh.
spoken to anybody.
Oh yeah, I called earlier. I asked if I could come in and get some pictures and video.
No, yeah, no. No, not about my guns, no, you can't.
Aren't you the manager or?
Yeah, I'm the manager.
Oh, but there must be another manager that works there, a female that.
No, I don't know if you called another place because no, I wasn't here.
No, I called this place. You guys got a robbery last summer.
Oh, okay, yeah, right. I'm so sorry. I wasn't sure who you were. I was like, what do you mean?
Oh, I'm sorry. No,
Yeah, I
yeah,
was super confused. I'm like, what are you talking about? Okay, no, yeah, you're good. Go ahead.
yeah. I just need to get a couple pictures.
Okay, no,
And,
yeah, go ahead. I'm so sorry. I wasn't sure who you were, so I was like, wait, what is this guy doing? But no, okay, now I see what you're
yeah, no, I was just about to say hi. I thought you were busy with another customer, so.
Okay, no, you're fine. Go
Yeah.
ahead.
All right. Thank you.
Hello. Hello.
Just put it on my YouTube channel.
Oh, you just put it in your channel? Okay, then in that case, you wouldn't be able to put it up in the channel.
Oh, why not?
Yeah, not per company. Per company, yeah. For company policies, is because I thought you were from like corporate, from the police department, but yeah, being like that, no.
Oh, yeah, well, there was a robbery, so I just want to tell the people what
Yeah,
happened.
but you can't do that. Yeah, no, I can't have you do that. I can get in trouble. I can lose my job.
Oh, all right. Well, yeah, I didn't mean to cause any trouble.
Yeah, no, please, yeah, I need you to delete that because I can't have it up.
Oh,
Yeah, because
All-
this is a corporate company, so yeah, I couldn't have you do that.
okay.
So could you just delete it? Could you just show me deleting it? Because yeah, I could get in trouble.
I mean, I'm not here to cause any trouble. You have a good day.
Yeah, like I said, sir, I need you